perform the indicated operations and simplify. So in part A, we got quantity x plus 3 times quantity x squared minus 5x plus 7. So it's a times, so we need to multiply. This is a binomial, it's trinomial. So this will be first term x times everything plus 3 times everything. Okay, we can distribute in that way. So this is x times everything, x times x squared minus 5x plus 7 and plus 3 times everything, x squared minus 5x plus 7. Now we distribute. Okay, we did same thing, we x times everything, 3 times everything. Now we do more distribution. X squared, x cubed minus x 5x 5x squared, x times 7 7x plus 3x squared, 3 times negative 5x is in minus, plus minus minus, 3 times 5 15x plus 3 times 7 21. Okay, now we combine the like terms. So x cubed, there are no more, so just x cubed. 5x squared, 3x squared, we can combine because they are like terms. So negative 5 plus 3. So negative 5 plus 3 means negative 2x squared. In the same way, 7x minus 15x. So minus 15 plus 7. Minus 15 plus 7 means minus 8x. Okay, 15 minus 7 is 8 and minus and plus 21. Okay, and this is the final answer because all of these 4 terms are unlike terms. We cannot add or subtract anymore. Okay, I'll come back to part B in a moment. In part C, we need to multiply some square root of this minus 1, same thing plus 1. So in this case, we can simplify because this one and this one are same. We can momentarily write down x and then this will be x as well. If we do that, this is like x minus 1 and this is like x plus 1. Now we can multiply, pretty much FOIL. When we have 2 binomials, we can multiply x times x, like FOIL means first, outer, inner, last. So the first terms are x times x squared, x times plus 1 plus x, minus 1 times x, minus 1 times 1, minus 1. In the middle, plus x minus x, they are same but plus minus cancel, so that leaves x squared minus 1. But x was not in the question, so x squared was in fact square minus 1. This x was in fact square root of h cubed plus 1. Okay, that is h cubed plus 1. Okay, I meant h cubed plus 1. Now h cubed plus 1, square root of this one is square and square root cancel. That leaves simply h cubed plus 1. I mean, we're assuming this is a positive quantity here. Okay, and square root cancel, and there is minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 also cancel. That leaves what? H cubed as the final answer. I mean, you can simply start multiplying from here as well. But if we assume in this way, this becomes easier. So let me do part B. Okay. So in part B, we got root x times 2 terms inside. So we need to distribute that root x from outside. So root x is same as x raised to 1/2. And inside we got 5 times x raised to 3/2 minus, let's move this up, 1 over cube root of x. We know that cube root of x means x raised to 1/3. That's on the bottom. If we move up, x raised to negative 1/3. and this 1 on the top doesn't count. 1 times anything is that thing. Okay, so we have this situation. We just move up, it's moved up, and then here. Now we multiply, so we distribute this and then this. So when we multiply, we can add the exponents because we have the same base. So here's a 5 x 1/2 times, when we have x raised to some power times x raised to another power, we simply write x and we add the exponents, right? And that type of thing we are applying here. So x 1/2 plus 3/2. What is 1/2 plus 3/2? That's the 4/2 means 2. So x squared minus, in the same way we can multiply here. That means we can write, okay, we are multiplying x raised to 1/2 times x raised to negative 1/3. So x, this is 1/2 minus 1/3. So when we multiply, we add the exponents, means 1/2 plus negative 1/3, means negative 1/3. So how do we combine this? Taking common denominator. So we multiply by 3/3, multiply by 2/2, so that we get this common denominator of 3 times 2, 6. So 3 times 1, 3, minus 1 times 2, 2. 3 minus 2 is 1/6. So this is x raised to 1/6. So when we multiply, we get this, minus when we multiply here, we get this. And x squared, x raised to 1/6. So these are unlike terms. So we cannot combine anymore. So this is the final answer.